Hi, my name is John Paulo Madrid. Let's talk about gun control policy. There are two kinds of purposes of guns. One is for committing crime and for protection. But nowadays, most of the police reports is about gun. There are many cases of using firearms, but the common cases is threatening that will cause you trauma. Many people died because of using guns, and in the end, it's the beginning of war. Even the police, they use their firearms to commit crimes. That's why it's not safe outside. We must use guns for protection, just not for violence, just like what happened to the fallen 44 and to those people who died in the massacre in Maguindanao. There's so many issues about that. Even the politics use it, so that there's so many crises in the Philippines. So in general, we should have guns just to defend ourselves. You could tempted to use in violence. That's why we should say yes to gun control policy. But we have different lives, so you have your own decision of that. Once again, my name is John Paulo Madrid. Thank you.